All right, so there are our lobes that are chewed up. And that's from this camshaft walking back and forth. Because ironically, this is the lobe for number 8 intake. And this is the lobe for number 4 exhaust. But number 4 exhaust was getting shoved into the lifter for number 8 intake. So that's also explains why the wear is offset on these lobes, which remember I discussed yesterday as well in the videos. Because this whole cam, as you guys saw, was walking back and forth like this. I mean, that motion's fun and all, but not for the camshaft. And it's actually chewed up. Look at here. Number 4 cam bearing journal on the cam is vercocked as well. Let's check all the rest of them. All the rest of them look pretty good, actually. But you can see the wear is completely off center on all of these. So strange. That's actually pitted a little bit too. Very, very strange. So Joey, I know we're all going to have a meeting on Monday about this, but we're going to go to bat for you, buddy. This is some shit. That's some shit.